Hey everyone, welcome back to WPGeoBuddy. I'm Naveen, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a plugin that will help you to convert your GeoDirectory ad listing form into a multi-step form. So if you go to our website WPGeoBuddy and you go to product section, you will see a product there called GeoBuddy, which is freely available in WordPress.org. So basically this plugin for now provide you some extra custom fields in GeoDirectory and also give you a site template, a one-click demo importer option so that you can easily import a GeoDirectory demo on your website and set up a GeoDirectory website with just few clicks. GeoBuddy Multistep add-on is part of the GeoBuddy plugin, and basically this plugin is made for a GeoDirectory website and it converts your GeoDirectory ad listing form into a beautiful step form. If you go to the single page of this product, you will see here we have shown how this steps looks, and if you just scroll down here, basically you can see the pricing of this add-on. You can buy this individual add-on too, or if you want all the products at once, you can also buy our membership. If you go to the membership section, for a single site it is $99 per year, and you will get all the add-ons included in that membership, and also all the GeoDirectory related templates that GeoBuddy have provided in the GeoBuddy plugins. So as I said, these templates that GeoBuddy provide, they are free and premium are only accessible if you have the membership. So either you can buy membership, or if you want individual add-on, you can also buy the individual add-on. So now I'm going to show you the demo of this plugin on my website. So this is one of my localhost website that I have, and here I have GeoDirectory setup. If I just refresh the ad listing form of this page, this website, you will see this is the ad listing form. So let me make this screen bigger so that you can better see these things. So this is the ad listing form, a long ad listing form. It is limited, but sometimes these ad listing forms can be much more longer than this. So to deal with this, I will go here in the backend of my website. I will click on add new, and I have GeoBuddy Multistep plugin already downloaded. I have it on my local system, so I'm gonna import that plugin. So I'll click on install now, and then I will click on activate. You will notice that it giving me an error that GeoBuddy Multistep Form plugin required one plugin to be installed, that is GeoBuddy. So you can go to manage, and if you will just scroll down, and you will see the plugin is installed, but it is not activated because it needs GeoBuddy plugin to be installed. So I'm gonna click on that GeoBuddy plugin link, and I will install the GeoBuddy plugin. So basically GeoBuddy is the parent plugin of all the add-ons. So now that I have activated GeoBuddy plugin, you'll see a screen here, and if you go to settings, you will see default settings of GeoBuddy, where you have the template options. You can import these templates, but both the templates right now are premium, so you have to add your membership key here. So you can buy the membership. As I said, you can buy it from our website membership section. So now I will go in the plugin section again, and I will activate the GeoBuddy Multistep Form plugin. So once you activate this plugin, it will ask you for adding your license key. I have already added my license key, so I will just activate my email address. That's it. So after I activated the multi-step form, you can see here I get a whole setting of this plugin in the GeoBuddy setting tab. So basically every GeoBuddy add-on that you have here, if you will activate them on your website, you will get the settings of them in the GeoBuddy settings section, like you get a tab multi-step form here. So before we discuss this setting page, let's first do the first step, that is creating steps of your forms. So right now the add listing form of the website look like this. To create the step, I will go to backend and click on my CPT places and then to the settings, and here I will define the steps. So to create steps, if you will check in the standard field, you will get a field steps. It is created by the GeoBuddy Multistep Form. I will click on it. I will drag it as the first field in the list. So this will be our step 1. So if you just see the fields closely, so I'm gonna name this field until image as the basic information. So I will name it basic information and I will save it. So this is my step 1, and now the basic information is until image field, and after that there will be another step. So I will just click on step 2 again and drag it just above the address field and name it contact details. I think that will be much better to define the address and phone number and email address field. So we'll just save it. So now my first step is until image field, then we have the second step contact detail, and which will cover until website. I think that is fine, and this step will goes in social media. So I will just click on another step and name it social media fields or social media, and then I will drag this field just above web Twitter. Okay, so this is my third step, and the fourth step will be from video special offer and business information, so business hours, sorry. So I will make it other information. So I will name it other information or other details. I will save the step, then I will drag it just above the video field. So that's it. Now I have defined all the steps: basic information, contact detail, social media, other details. So now after the page refresh, this is how the add listing form looks. You can see there are 4 steps and the form have a next button so that you can move to the next step. So I'm gonna add some basic detail. If I click on next now, you can see it pointing me to the required fields. I will select all the required fields and click on next, and then I'm on the next step, and I can switch between the steps. As you can see here, I can go back and forth by clicking on these steps. So this is the basic layout of this plugin. So now that you have taken a basic look of this plugin, how this plugin works, let's discuss the setting of this plugin in detail. So in the settings section, the first setting is progress bar type. So you have 2 options here. This is the progress bar. Either you can add steps bar, or you can add percentage bar. Step bar is the one that you see right now. You will see the steps, or if you just switch it to progress bar, then you will get a percentage progress bar. Like if I just reload my page now, this is how, with some percentage, like how much this page has been completed. If I click next now, then you can see the percentage is 50. So I'll switch back to step bar, and the another setting is progress bar, whether to enable progress bar. If you don't want this progress bar or this step bar anyway, you can disable them by clicking on this setting. If you want the step bar, right, by default it is positioned on the top. in the add listing form, but in some cases if you want it on the left side or on the right side, you can switch here. You can switch it to left sidebar. I will just switch it to left sidebar, and if I just refresh my page now, you can see now it is switched to left sidebar. And if I click next, then you can see the progress here. And as always, you can go back and forth between the completed steps. Similarly, you can also add it on the right hand side. The third option is the form style. By default it is fade, but you can switch it to slide or stepwise. So let me show you the slide option first. So if I just save it, and if I just refresh my add listing page now, and you just see, if I click on next, you see the form is sliding here, the steps are sliding. So this is the slide option. And if you just click on stepwise, and let me refresh my add listing page again, and if you just click on next, then you'll see the next step is shown below the other step. So this is the stepwise style. And with slide, you can also change the speed of the slide to normal, slow, whatever you want to do. The next setting is active step color. So let me refresh my add listing page. Active step is this one where the user is currently active. So the active step color can be managed from here. You can switch it to yellow, whatever you want to do. And the completed step color is here. So if I refresh my page now, you will see it is yellow in color, which is not looking good with this theme current style. The last setting is to enable the save step button. So basically it will show a save button on each step except the last step, because on the last step you already have the save button, and you can change the text of this button. So I will just save it, and if I just refresh my page now, you can see there is a save listing button appear here. And if I go here and go to places, in the places section right now you have 41 listing. So I'm gonna name it to something like Naveen Giri, and I will add some text. And I'm gonna add some category, random category. And if I just refresh the backend now, still you have the 41 post. But if I click on save listing, now if you will refresh, you have a pending listing, as you can see, with all the information that has been saved until now. You will see them here. And the good thing is you get this button on each step. So, and on every step the user can save the listings or save the data that they have filled until now. And they can always edit their listing using the GeoDirectory author action shortcode. So I'm not sure on this website if I have set up it, but if I just go here in the profile section, okay, so I haven't activated the users WP plugin. Maybe we will cover it in some other video, but user always have an option to edit their pending listing. So at any point user can come back to this website and they can edit their pending listing. Or maybe if you see the pending listing here, you can also approach these interested user so that you can help them to fill the full form or complete their listing. So this way you will not miss any lead or any listings or any interested user who is trying to fill up the form, but somehow they skip it. So this way you have an option to retain those business owners. So now that if you are interested in this plugin, you can go back to our website WPGeoBuddy, and from the membership section you can purchase the full membership of all the add-ons of GeoBuddy, where you have the GeoBuddy Confetti, GeoBuddy Weather Forecast, GeoBuddy Broadcast Messages, Announcement Bar, GeoBuddy Messages, and we also have the contact card to protect the contact details. And soon there will be more plugins in future. So this membership cover all of the GeoBuddy add-ons. So you can buy once and you'll get the new add-ons. If we will add in our product session, you will get them in free. Or if you are just interested in GeoBuddy Multistep, you can go to GeoBuddy Multistep Form and buy it. If you think that you need a custom functionality or a custom feature that is not already available in this plugin, you can also reach out to us and we will build that functionality for you, especially for you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. So that's it for today. If you have any query, you can tell us in the comment section of this video. And we also provide directory site development services and maintenance services for GeoDirectory. So if you have any such query, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with our GeoDirectory expert and we will help you. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.